the channel. My name is Patrice, and if you're new here, I would love to welcome you. Today we will be unboxing our spring FabFitFun box. It finally came. Just saying. It just finally came. So we're going to go ahead and crack this open. But before I do, don't forget to like up this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of the unboxing fun that we have here. And also new things are coming up soon. So let's get into this box. I have seen so many of my subscription box friends, including TONI Talks Unboxings, talk about this box. I pray this box is not bad, because I'm really seriously on the fence of whether I should keep this subscription or just go with another subscription box person or company. The box is gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And on the top, of course, we have our pamphlet and everything. So I'm just going to grab that out. That's a beautiful pamphlet. And it says, "Bite Me." So that is the new promo there. We do not do HelloFresh, so if you would like 10 free meals, go ahead and take that. Go ahead and take that screenshot, pause it right there so you can get that HelloFresh code as well. So here is inside of the box. I love the beautiful butterfly. And it says, "Share to win, #FabFitFun." Ooh, I don't know. This is what we have inside. This is all we have inside. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the contents. Beautiful exfoliating brown sugar ready mask. It gently exfoliates and brightens the skin for a flawless, radiant complexion, leaving your skin soft as a rose petal. I'm so excited to try this. I'm going to open it up to see, because it is sealed on the sides, of what it looks like inside. So we will start doing self-care Sundays here on this channel. So don't forget to hit that notification bell to know when we're doing self-care Sundays. I'm really excited to start doing that here. Oh, look. It's little, and it came with a little stick. But there's all these little pods in here. Oh, that's really cool. So the first pod here is a purifying mud mask, which is this here. And then there's an exfoliating Ready Glow exfoliating mask. I think this was one of the items that I picked. And then we have the little stick, which let me get. And then it comes with the brush here so we can apply our face mask. I think this is actually one of the items that I picked, so I'm really excited to give this a try. I see in here is this rosewood oil, and it's a body oil, and it looks like you can pump it on your body. It's made with Mongolia oil, pomegranate seed oil, malula oil, grapeseed oil, apricot, kennel seed oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. This sounds really fun. I cannot wait to give this a try. Another thing I see, and I think I picked this up because, you know, I'm a woman of a particular age. I'm 40. And I picked up this Glow Wrinkle. This is a wrinkle treatment by Revive Light Therapy. It's powerful LED combination. It infuses lights, red lights, amber lights, and it includes the batteries, the guide, and all the things I need to try this product out. Let me see. I'm going to go ahead and open it because I will be using this. Oh, cool. So this is what it looks like when you take it out the box. And there's a little light there. And it's supposed to be a wrinkle treatment. So I'm supposed to combat wrinkles with these light tickling fine lines, wrinkles, loss of firmness, elasticity, skin dullness, and even skin tone. So this is supposed to bring all of this, so all the imperfection in my skin. This device is supposed to help it bring it back. I cannot wait to review this on our channels. So stick around for that review. Okay, so another thing I see here is this beautiful watermelon energizing 2-minute peel. And this is a it's a polishing face mask. So that would be cool to try. I actually received one of these. I think it was from TONI when we do our unique squaps with each other. And I believe she gifted me this. So I'm really excited to give this a try. It is a full-size bottle. So it's free from parabens, mineral oils, sulfates, and synthetic colors. The other thing I see here is the leave-in conditioner. Now, I did not choose this because I do not use a lot of leave-in conditioners, but this is supposed to be a moisturizing conditioner. It's supposed to be a food, feeds, smooths, and calms, frizz, thick, coarse hair instantly. Well, maybe I should just give it a try because that just sounds like my hair. So maybe I should just give it a try because that literally just sounds like my hair. It penetrates and with oils and double duty, hydrates and smooths split ends and adding weightless conditioning and shine to dry, lustrous hair. So you might just see me try this on this channel. This is part where we review and stuff on our channel. So you might just see this on the channel. You never know. If you want to know, don't forget to hit that notification bell to see if I give this a whirl on our channel. Next thing I see is this deep sleep body cocoon multitasking beauty sleep serum for better nights and better mornings. So this is you're supposed to apply it nightly after bathing before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. So this will be interesting to try. A lot of these things I don't remember like clicking on as my choices, but I'm kind of okay with it. I don't know yet. The next thing are straws. I didn't want straws. I have oogles of straws. They're bendy, they're flexible. You get a brush cleaner. And of course, if you've seen other influencers, you also get a little travel case. I have oodles and oodles of straws. I get these straws for my daughter because she has autism and she likes to bite a lot. So we have soft straws. We have plenty of Bexley straws. So I'll just throw them in the drawer with all her other, straws and things. But, I'll just give this to my daughter. I'm not really excited about it, but straws. And I know this last item I picked because it is a packing cube. I am really excited about this. This was the one thing besides the face mask I really, really wanted. This is a packing cube. It fits perfectly in luggage, your drawers, your tote bags, your gym bags, your trunk space, and more. We are condensing our house down to the bare minimum. And I got all three sizes, which are small, medium, and large. And they come in this beautiful orangey print. I'm just going to take it out of the bag. Because I was so excited when this was actually one of my choices. Now I remember this. I was really excited about this. So that's that. So this is what it looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? This is the back. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to open it. Oh, cool. It opens this way. So it opens this way. And then here are your compartments. This must be the large. This must be the medium. And then the small is inside here. This is so nice. I am so excited because I'm planning on doing a whole lot of getting myself organized. We were going to travel, but we hope that, we hope that whatever this is, it blows over so we can continue traveling because we want to travel. Thing we got, of course, we received the bags, which I'm super excited about. That was an item I did choose. The deep sleep body cocoon was another thing. The fast food for your hair, which we will review on our channel. This wonderful body oil. This watermelon peel mask. I know I asked for this glow for fine lines and wrinkles. And the last thing was this wonderful kit. All these clay masks here, and then there's a exfoliating clay mask down here. They are little bitty pods, So we'll see how much of my face will cover when we do the review. All in all, to be perfectly honest, wait a minute. Oh yeah, and the straws, which I did not ask for. So all in all, to be perfectly honest, some of the things in this box I absolutely love. Some of these things, like this, I did not need, nor did I want. I did not request this, but I will give it a try. I don't remember everything that I wanted, but no, I did. So I wanted the cubes, I wanted the glow for your face, and I wanted the mask. Everything else in here was given to me. The box is literally $49.99, and that's for seasonal. So a hard no in my book for the summer. I will go ahead and cancel the subscription to FabFitFun. I believe I honestly believe there are more boxes out there that our family can try. I at least want to give it a good try, and I looked and I just am not impressed. For $50, I'm not impressed. And look how long it took me to get my box. There are a whole lot of people who got their boxes, and I just got my box. So I'm not really happy about that. And I paid the same amount of money as anyone else. So we are not going to renew. We are going to actually cancel FabFitFun, but we will go ahead and continue our Birchbox. And you never know, you might see some more wonderful unboxings on this channel. Don't forget to like up this video. Thanks for sitting with us as we unboxed our FabFitFun. If you are not connected to me on social media, I will leave all that information down in the description box below. And also, if you're not connected to your Uneek Squad, why not? We have a blast over here, and I'll remember to leave all the information down there as well. Also, if you have not checked out our other channel, which is Uneek Gifts, that's where we do all of our laundry, cleaning motivation, and also grocery hauls and all those things motherhood that we are known for over there. So don't forget to head over to there as well. I will leave that in the icon above and also in the description bar below. Thank you so much for helping me unbox my FabFitFun for spring 2020. We hope that you all are safe, be blessed, and we'll catch you